episode, you saw us not only ripping up a very big deck, but introducing you to the amazing Trex Transcend decking system. And during this episode, you are going to see this project come to fruition, and it is nothing short of amazing. Now, there were a pile of colours to choose from in the Trex Transcend range. Now, even though this property isn't brand new and it does have quite a few warm tones to it, I've actually chosen to go with this gorgeous contemporary grey, and it's called Island Mist. Now, there's a pile of reasons for this. One, I loved the colour variation, I loved the grain in it, and I also loved the fact that although it's quite a cool grey, it goes with quite a few warm tones, and it can provide either a contemporary, a rustic, a country, or even a cottage look. So I'm absolutely loving it. I can't wait to see it down in broad form. Jono gets us started off, and then I do some final prep with the adhesive and get cutting before we power on to the main part of the deck as a team.
So what I'll do is I'll grab the board, we'll walk it in together.
Yep.
We'll take our time walking over the joist. Then I'll clip it in, and I'm going to sit about 20 mil over this where I'm meant to be.
Yep.
And then basically once that's in, then I'll keep saying yep, and you just clip them in like as you follow. And do you want to do the running man along it each time?
Oh, we can all stop.
No, it's just you.
Okay, I'll stop. Do I get to clip and stop?
Yeah, so you'll push it in and then you stop the hollow.
Stop.
Stop,
Clip.
yeah. Okay, so I've got the shit in, yeah?
Clip, stop.
So you've got to push in first, like that, yep.
Like that?
Yep, and then push your back end in. Done, now walk along it.
Now walk along it?
Yep, stop.
Like stop?
Yep. Yep, what's it called?
Hold on.
A dinosaur. Yeah, next one, just watch for the sticker.
Follow that.
How do you make it something inappropriate?
Oh, you haven't been on enough building sites.
Good. Watch your fingers on that noggin, yeah. Down.
Good building, Johnny. We should all jump on them.
We don't want to break them.
Ready?
There you go. Good. Nice.
All right, we're mid-project here, and I've had the pleasure of working with the J. Clark construction team. They have been absolute whizzes, certainly the Dexperts when it comes to how to lay this Trex Transcend product. And I must admit, this hidden fastening system, I have never seen a deck go down with this type of speed. Once the bearers and joists were laid out and the fastening system was in place, I absolutely adore how streamlined, how quick that this can come all together before my eyes, really. And I must admit, absolute joy to work with. Not only good blokes, unbelievably professional, and most importantly, really good at what they do. There you have it. These decks are finished, and boy do they look amazing. I am over the moon with the Trex Transcend product. The texture, the colour, the width of the board, the gorgeous long boards. I'm thrilled, and I'm even more thrilled about the concept that for the next 25 years there's no maintenance, no sanding, no staining, no oiling, no scrubbing back. I'm pumped. All I need to do to take good care of these beautiful boards now and this amazing deck is a light brush and a light clean with soapy water when the kids get them a little messy. To achieve this next level finish, it is all about attention to detail. Now, there are some instances where you do need to use face fixings, but never fear, Trex has this covered for you too, with these amazing pro plugs. These literally are screw or fixing concealers. It's as simple as fastening the deck down and then inserting one of these pro plugs. It is absolutely mind-blowing the amount of time I spent trying to find exactly where these face fixings were. They literally disappear. Alternatively, if the pro plugs are not for you, then their colour matching fixing system may be. That is right, Trex have colour matched screws and fasteners that you can use to drill a small pilot hole into your deck and then screw in this colour match system, and you will never even notice it's there. If you take a really close look, you can see that the head of the fixing system is a perfect match to the colour of the boards. Those of you who know me well know I love bringing the indoors out and the outdoors inside. And on this deck, it is going to be no different. So it's time to start styling this deck up and enjoying it in its full beauty. So let's get to it. And there you go, we are done and ready for the whole family, including the cats, to enjoy. There is nothing left for me to do now other than look at the view, watch the kids, dream up my next project and sit back and relax because there is no maintenance to be done here. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see my latest design and reno inspiration. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official or click the link in my description. See you soon.